That was saxophonist Rashawn Lee with Alicia Keys, If I Ain't Got You. Owner of Mark Chong's Custom Catering. Mark Chong is no stranger to us here on the Smile Set. He's back this morning with some surf and turf on the menu. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning,
Welcome back. I know people sometimes they hear the term surf and turf and they see surf and turf. Tell me what's surf and turf.
All right, so pretty much it's very simple. Surf is seafood, and turf is pretty much anything that comes from the land.
Land.
Right.
And they come and it's combining them.
Right, so surf and turf.
All right. So this morning, what are you going to be preparing for us? You're
Right.
surfing on the stove this morning.
Right, so we're doing some curry shrimp. Right.
What's the key to preparing curry shrimp? Because sometimes, not to
Well,
make it too soft and soggy, and
Right.
you're going to show me when you're making.
So the shrimp is pretty much the last thing you put in the pot.
Okay.
But a good curry sauce is good. In the interest of time, I did a curry sauce before I came. So just doing some seasoning.
So some
So
onions.
to get the best out of the seasoning, we put them on. Then they will stir. That's when you get the most out of the seasoning.
Yeah.
So I would have made my curry sauce here, but since I
Since
did,
in interest of time.
right, I pre-done the some sort of put the sauce in.
Oh, so you advise them to make the curry sauce separately, or you would have made it?
You make it because the time it takes to cook the curry,
Yeah.
you don't overcook the shrimp. So you definitely don't want to overcook shrimp.
No. And you want to make sure that you cook the curry properly.
Right.
Or else you're going to be surfing to the restroom.
Turfing.
To the restroom.
All right.
So you want to make sure
So
the curry is
it's all
done
nice
right.
and done. So just put in our shrimp now.
Yes. And you have a bit of curry on the shrimp itself?
Right, we did a little pre-seasoning as well.
Okay. So we're moving quickly this morning.
Yeah, man.
So I like when Mark is here now.
Shrimp
Things
don't take long
ready to
enough.
go. Ready to, yeah, shrimp is one of them things that's easy to just
Right.
pop in, and once the color change a little
Right.
bit, you know, say shrimp, salmon, that's what I like about them.
Right, so,
Yeah, once the color change, you say, oh, good to go.
right,
Them folks over here, the turf don't play. The turf, you have to take a while and
Yes.
prepare them.
Right, so we have ribs, we have jerk pork, steamed fish,
Escovitch fish.
crab, all of those things. But I love surf and turf, Easter Monday.
Easter Monday, where's it going to be and what time?
26 Hayden Road. We start at 12, end at 8. We have live music, we have a kids play area, and as all the food that you will desire. We have an endless lemonade bar, and all the features.
The challenge I have with them things in a man is, when I go now, is one price takes me in?
No, what I've done is that I know the challenges that people have now. So you know what, you pay $500 to get in,
Okay.
and then you choose whatever you want to buy. You understand? So
you'll have different stations offering different
really
things.
$500 covers the whole venue setup, have live music and all of that.
So you're going whatever you want to buy, and that's from 12?
That's from 12 to 8.
So the cooking is supposed to go on Easter Monday. We just come to
Everybody just come and
26
just,
Haining Road. And for the kids, it's just $300.
Right.
Food and drinks on sale. Why? It's a tough call. Never why you laugh. When I reach them, I forgot to decide between the ribs and the shrimp.
so we add
Something
some
that
color
we can
now.
wear. Adding some color.
Right, so
We put carrots.
some julienne carrots.
Oh, nice.
Some people like tomatoes.
Yes.
Just the first bit.
So Benji gets spruce up a while ago. Yeah. When I look at
I
him.
don't think Benji likes shrimp.
You don't think he likes shrimp? No. Okay. I can't say that I feel bad that he doesn't like it because he wasn't going to get none this morning. What's the key to good ribs, Mark? Personally, I like to, when it comes to the turf, them, you know,
Right.
I like to steam them a little bit before I put them on the grill.
So the key to good ribs is the long process it takes to cook.
Yeah.
So we have an 8-hour process that we take. So,
8
So
hour?
we put the early morning. So like for Easter Monday, we'll probably putting them in from like 5, 6 o'clock. And then it slowly cooks.
Yeah.
So that makes the rib fall off the bone.
So
And then you have that smoke flavor.
Yeah. So you get the flavor and
Right.
it's soft.
Right.
Okay, because sometimes that's
Right.
ribs and them
Right.
hard and you don't taste
Because they put it
anything.
directly on the heat and all that.
And
so
them try to rush the
Right,
process.
so it's not direct heat. So,
8 hours.
yeah.
All right, it was made with love and a lot of
Patience.
A lot of patience. You see that, Benji? And you had to me saying I eat ribs. The man spent 8 hours.
Exactly.
You have to show your appreciation for ribs.
You don't even
man.
want to eat like a potato with it. You just want the ribs alone.
Yeah. And let's talk about the jerk pork. Now we'll just take 3 steps back when I say jerk pork. Let's talk about the jerk.
Well, the jerk, the essential of jerk is the
It's
smoke
the same
flavor.
process?
Yeah, well, that's the smoke flavor, and also there's the wood that you use, the sweet wood, that imparts a flavor in it. So that's the essence of
That's
jerk.
the key.
Right, and then the season, of course.
Yes, man, because sometimes people, the jerk pork, and it's bland.
Right.
And I wonder why. Is it that they don't allow it to marinate in the seasoning? Why is it bland?
But I mean, any good thing that you want in life, you have to wait on it.
Yes.
So the longer it takes, is the best to get out of it.
You see that the fish not takes so long for prepare. How long the fish take?
Well,
About 20 minutes?
we cut up the seasoning and all that. It doesn't take so long.
20 minutes.
Right.
And the ribs
most.
take 8 hours. Good. You want to show them? You're not dead, we're hungry. You eat the fish
Well, the
first
steak
and
smell
make
good.
it go and hold it till the ribs ready.
They don't smell this scorcher, man.
What is that, Benji? You eat 3 times before I eat the ribs?
They don't smell this scorcher, man.
The curry smells awesome. So we're gonna come out on Easter Monday for sure. Surf and turf. So you said crab, fish, ribs, jerk pork, chicken of course.
Of course, chicken.
Chicken of course. And we'll have all kinds of sides, festival, bami,
Festival, bammies, we have a kids
mashed
area.
potatoes.
All of those things. We have a kids area that we did burgers and hot dogs and I believe nuggets and all those things.
So
Well,
nice.
yeah.
It's a
So
holiday.
we're
It's
catering
a
for
great-
everybody this Easter.
Yeah, come in, Nebs. Come. You eat shrimp? Come in, Nebs. Come sample the shrimp. You eat pork. Not this morning. I say lobster.
Where lobster?
See lobster on the TV.
Oh, think I just
Roast corn.
Mark, one
I'm
thing.
just looking at the menu and what's going to be offered. So it's going to be, so feel free. And if you want to ask more questions, Mark Chong Custom Catering at gmail.com. Make sure to give them a shout out. You have group rates?
And I eat the
Can never have
ribs.
a buy ticket for everybody.
And I eat the ribs.
Never. Ribs is something that I see people take knife and fork and I do so. Ribs, somebody take it and do that, you know. You have to, and tear the rib, yeah. Me appreciate chef, you know. And the chef work. Take knife and do some.
Yeah, that was no
Go around the
sense.
edges. Some people them don't eat ribs. Some of them
They
eat
say you
left on the
appreciate
bone
chef.
and them send it back and you say, wait. You eat how you can.
You appreciate it.
Yes, man. Fish. 20 minutes. I do even not sure. Nothing. All right. So what is showing us, Benji? It's the plate. Yes, I want him to see it. And the colors on it. Fabulous. I'm going to tell you.
Kind of chef this.
Me even tell you. Mark not have a fork or a spoon. Mark has to come one day. Mark, no, but that's a true thing. Never just talk a while ago. No fork. No. A good thing, I always walk with plastic fork in my bag. My bag there, Benji. I'm kidding. All right, so make sure you make your way to I Love Surf and Turf, which is a great thing because, it's not an either or. If you love one or the other, or you love both,
Right.
then you can have a grand time. It's going to be on Easter Monday. Yeah. And them are going to have fork. So you're not walking up. All right. Owner Mark Chong's Custom Catering. Come to Benji, you have the fork. I want to fork on time. Oh, okay. Owner Mark. The viewers them not understand say I stall, me a stall, you know, cause if I go off the ear, I'm gonna taste it. Softman and Farrah are waiting to wheel it off. And once it's wheeled off, I'm dead. And outside of the event, Mark does custom catering all the time.
Right.
So just look out for him. On social media?
We're on social media.
Yeah.
Mark Chong's Catering on Instagram. Mark Chong's Custom Catering on Facebook.
On Facebook, look out for
Right.
great, the most wonderful ham you'll ever have.
Yeah, that was a lie, right? We just search our bag. We just search our
And
bag.
it come up. Well, at least me can say me make it out with that shrimp this morning. Smell Jamaica people, okay?
Folks, so come, they can't talk.